You got the hiccups? She has the hiccups, Holly. Do you love your chew bone? Do you love her? Yes.
I'm taking a picture?
Yep. You're taking a picture. Good girl. Go get it.